The other day I tweeted about how South African Airways seems to have lost ownership of all its aircraft. Of the 47 aircraft in South African Airways' fleet, they only own 10 of these aircraft, and 2 of them are currently in storage. I'm a big fan of big airplanes, and I was really excited when South African Airways bought the A350-900, and they bought it quite early on in its timeline. But it seems like from that day, South African Airways has gone backwards in terms of its fleet. Although I have to give them credit for one thing, they have moved to an all Airbus fleet. They've transferred all their 737-800s to Mango Airlines, who run a completely Boeing fleet. So currently Airbus has the A320, the A330 and the A340 in its fleet. And some exciting news that I just heard about yesterday is that South African Airways will be returning 2 of its A350-600s to the lessor and will be getting A350-900s in return. Just 2 of these at this stage. And these 2 aircraft will be flying between Johannesburg and JFK International Airport. Now these 2 aircraft will be arriving with South African Airways in about 6 months' time. Now there's no confirmation from South African Airways about this deal, but I've heard a number of reports stating that this is going to be happening. What is unsure at this point is where those A350-900s are coming from. One suggestion is that the leasing company that South African Airways uses with its A340-600s has a fleet of A350-900s which were supposed to go to another airline which has gone bankrupt. So those aircraft are either sitting on the ground in Toulouse at Airbus's factory still waiting to be delivered, or they are still in the production line, in which case South African Airways might get some brand new A350s